to Code Sutra. In this video, I will be discussing about LeetCode problem number 540, single element in a sorted array. In this problem, you are given an array that is sorted. This is very important. It is a sorted array in which there is a single element that is occurring just only once. If you look at this particular example, all the elements are occurring twice except for one element that is occurring only one time. What is the keyword here? The keyword is sorted. So what does it mean? It means that if at all the elements are occurring twice, they will be side by side, right? So what is the brute force approach that we can search? So if you look here, we go to every even index, and we will search the next element. If they are both same, then that's not the answer. If they both are not same, for example, we go here and we will check the next element. If they are not same, have we found the answer? Yes, we have found the answer. But if you look here, it will take a time complexity of n. That is, we have to go through the entire array to find the answer, right? So that is not what the approach we are looking for. We have to find it in log n time. So we will be using a different approach. So whenever you want to find an answer in log n time, what is the approach that we'll be using? We'll be using binary search. Why? Because we want to eliminate half of the search space in one shot. That is the idea of binary search that we have discussed yesterday. So what is the idea in binary search? So the first idea is our search space will be the entire array. So these are the indexes of the array and this is the actual array. So first, initially, what is the search space? The search space is the entire array. So our low value will be 0. Our high value will be the length of the array minus 1. And our mid value, we will calculate the mid value at every step. So before that, let me explain the intuition behind this. What is the intuition here? So if you look here, right, every even element and the odd element, that is the next element, are the same. So you go at anywhere, for example, here 4 and 5, it is same. But if you come here, right, for example, if you come here, are they same? Are the even element and the next element same? No, they are not same. What does this mean? This means that the single element has already occurred, right? For example, I have taken a different array to explain. For example, you come at this index, right? And you check the next element, 7. Are they both same? They both are not same. What does this mean? The single element has already occurred. So it means that our answer lies in the first half of the array, or we can eliminate the second half of the array. This is the first idea. What is the second idea? It is the same idea. What is it? If the mid is an odd element, for example, you come here, and should you check for the next element or should you check for the previous element? You should check for the previous element. So in our example, the mid will be 5 and we have to check the 4. If they are both same, it means we haven't yet found the single element. That is, the single element is not in the first half of the array. It will be in the second half of the array. It is the same idea, but if the index is odd, we will not be checking the next element. We will be checking the previous element. Okay. And while checking, if they both are not same, it is in the first half. However, if both are same, it will be in the second half. These are the two ideas that we'll be having. And let's do a dry run. Initially, low will be high, 0, high will be 10, and our mid will be 5. So if you go here, we'll go here, right? And since this is an odd number, what do we have to check? We have to check the prior element. Are they both same? Yes, they both are same. If they both are same, can it occur in the first half? No, it cannot occur in the first half. So we can just eliminate the first half. So once we have eliminated the first half, what will be the low? The low will be 6. Because that will be equal to mid plus 1. Okay. So what is our new mid value? It will be equal to an 8. So is 8 even or odd? It is even. So once we go here, we will be checking 8 and 9. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. What does this mean? This means we can eliminate this half of the array. That is, it cannot occur on the right part, but it should occur on the left part itself. Now, what is the high value? High will be 8 minus 1, that will be 7. So what is our low value now? What will be our mid value now? It will be 6 plus 7 by 2, it will be 6. So we go at the sixth element, we check for both the prior and the next element. Since both of them are not equal, 7, we got 7 and 7 will be our answer. I will again take you through a similar example, but this time the answer is in the first half of the array. Okay. So what we will be doing? Let me just do the same thing. low will be 0, high will be 10, mid will be equal to 5. So we will be going to this particular element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once we are at an odd element, what do we have to check? We have to check the prior element. Are they both same? No, they both are not same. So we can easily eliminate the second half of the array. So all the elements in the second half of the array can easily be eliminated. So the answer lies in the first half of the array. So again, what will be the high value? The high value will be 4. Right? So what will be the new middle element now? 0 plus 4 by 2, that will be equal to 2. So since you have already arrived at 2, you will just check the prior element and the next element and you have found the answer, because it is not neither equal to the prior element, previous element, neither equal to the next element. So you have found the answer. So let me take you through the code. So before diving into the code, actually 92% of the viewers of this channel haven't subscribed to the channel. So if you are one among them and you are enjoying the videos and liking the videos, please do consider subscribing to the channel and also like the video and have a look at the placement series or the interview series. Here we just don't solve the problems. We try to identify a particular design pattern or a problem pattern and we then solve the problem. So whenever you look at a new problem related to this pattern, you should be like, yes, this is what we have to use. Okay, without further ado, let's dive into the code. So it's a very simple code. What am I doing here? First of all, if it is just the length is 1, we'll be returning because that will be our answer, right? The next thing is we'll be initiating the low and high variables. Then these two are the edge cases. Please remember these edge cases. Why? Because here if you look, what are we doing here? Here we are checking if it is an even element. We are checking the next element and the prior element, right? What if they are at the corner? What if they are at the end? So that is what is taken care in this particular edge case statements. Then the loop is straightforward. Every step we will be finding the middle element. Once you have found the middle element, we will be checking both the next and the prior element. If the element is not equal to both the next and the previous element, that will be our answer. So that is the first thing. What is the second case? The second case is if it is even number, that is the mid is even, we will be checking the next element, or if it is odd number, we will be checking the previous element. And if they are same, what does it mean? It means that our answer is in the second half, else our answer is in the first half. And finally, we will be returning the answer. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe.